Kinky Artists. Today, we're drawing a fun and funky character Dogday as the Incredibox mod Sprunki. Let's grab our pencils, get creative, and bring this awesome character to the page. Dogday's name and look are modeled after man's best friend, the loyal dog. What's your favorite thing about dogs? Is it their cute faces? Me too. Let's make Dogday super cute. His upbeat personality makes him perfect for creating lively rhythms. Fans love Dogday's fur-like design details that make him extra adorable. Dogday is having a great time exploring his environment. In Sprunki, Dogday knows how to keep the vibe fun and energetic. Wow! Dogday looks amazing already! Great job on the sketch! Now, it's time to bring him to life with colors. Grab your crayons or markers and let's start coloring. Shades of brown, beige, and blue often make him stand out as stylish yet cozy. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. His paw-like gloves add extra personality to his movements. Dogday loves to combine playful leaps with smooth grooves. Some fans imagine his beats sounding like a harmonious dog howl. Dogday is all about spreading joy and positivity through his music. His cute yet funky design makes him loved by Sprunki fans of all ages. Our drawing of Dogday is complete, and it looks fantastic. We've done such an awesome job capturing his playful and groovy vibe. I'm so proud of you. Let's keep creating fun art together. See you next time, my Pinky artists.